what's good with y'all? Today, back with another video. Today, I'm gonna be taking my prince to the barber. His first haircut. This is long overdue, but I didn't think he was ready. But now I think he is. Now I think he's ready. Ethan, you ready to go to the barber?
Yeah.
You ready to get your hair cut?
No.
You shave you bald?
No.
I'm gonna shave you all. I'm gonna shave it all off. Say hi, YouTube. Say hi.
Hi.
Say like. Say like.
Like.
Comment. Subscribe. Yeah. So
Get your ass on the road, you stupid. Sorry, children.
But yeah, so this is probably gonna be a short vlog. We are going to this place called, I thought it said Job Cuts, but I don't think that's the name of it. I forgot the name of it. I don't remember. It's J something cuts, and that's where we going to get my son's first haircut. So I'm probably gonna line up there, but I don't know right now. All right, so we just made it to the barber. I got the peeps with me for his first haircut. I hope I didn't forget my wallet. Sometimes I be forgetting my dang wallet. My mom would be mad at me if I did. Got it. But yeah, hold on. Let me give y'all a fit check right quick. I'm pretty sure y'all seen this fit before. I mean, I don't really buy nothing like that. I'll be working though. Let me get my sister to do it. Look at my beautiful daughter, bro. That dude. Me hand. Eat that. Look what you wearing. Like what you got on?
Yeah.
Fresh. I don't know what I'm gonna get for you. Come on, you hit me right quick. Eat that. I got the 1-800, got that thing, yeah. Alright, but yeah, so we at Midtown Barbers. I got my bag stuck. There we go. Alright, so we at Midtown Barbers. I don't know what they do. I mean, not what they do. I don't know what type of haircut he finna get, and I don't know why I got this belt on. Cause my pants keep falling. Like my pants keep falling. They get on my nerves. I don't know why I got that damn belt on. It don't even work. But yeah, so and we doing a walk and we ain't doing no appointments. So I'll see here in a second. What's going on? All right. Alright, so they're starting the haircut process. I've been finna be fresh. He's coming along good, bro.
Feeling so confused, you don't know what to do.
It's raining. It's raining, and we gotta go to the other store. But look at the cut. Come here, boy. Shit. Look at the back. You think you fresh? Huh?
Little bro, icy.
Appreciate you. Say thank you.
Thank you.
You ready to go to GT? Come here. Come on. So his first cut is crazy. Unfortunately, it's raining. We ain't know it was gonna rain today. And his pants is falling. Here, hold this. Let me fix your pants. Sure.
Oh.
No, sir. Towards you. Hold it like that. Bruh, you got it upside down.
Oh. Did you know Gigi? Gigi.
Alright, so now we're gonna go to my mom. She's supposed to be in the store. I don't know if she still is or not, but yeah. Oh, now it's not. Oh, it slowed down, raining now. But yeah, that's where we're going. I'm hungry. I know he's hungry. So hopefully my mom cooks some food. Oh, there she is. Where y'all? Where everyone else at? Where's everyone else?
Right there. How much they charge you?
30.
You had it?
I gave him 40.
Oh. We're going to the car. Because they're right there with groceries.
Oh, they went to the car?
I'm going to go get the car. They're right there.
Oh, okay. Do I go?
You can stand over there.
Okay. Come on, you there. But yeah, his first cut. Come here, boy. Let me see that cut again. Come here. Come here, weirdo. Let me. Oh, my bad. I forgot it was raining. What you mean? Bro, what you mean, bro? What's wrong with his cut? See, he got the new cut and the new whip, right? And a new whip, you think?
Yeah. Hi.
Bro. Why you all talking smack? Lame-o. Alright, y'all, it's raining. I don't want to get my phone wet, so I'll see y'all in a second.
What I give you a crispy one?
Yeah, he was trying to. Dang it, why did I do that? Anyways, he was trying to, but Demetrius kept moving his fat head.
Trying to do what?
He was just moving. He
No,
first.
what kind of hairstyle he was trying to put?
That hairstyle, but the lineup, he messed it up. Yeah, the back of his head.
I thought you could have both with Claire.
Nah, I didn't know. I don't know. This is his first haircut, so I didn't know what would look good with him.
What kind of haircut you was looking? You was about to cut all of this?
Yeah.
Short?
Short and make it curly.
His hair ain't gonna curl like this.
It's not. That's why I didn't do it.
Yeah, it looks like you got a damn. His hair too straight.
Yeah. My boy handsome. Yeah. Got my looks for show. Alright, y'all. We heading to Claire's. It's raining. I'm finna go get my son's ears pierced and possibly my daughter's. I have to ask her mom on that part. But I know I'm finna get my son's ears pierced. So my boy finna be handsome, you think? Hey, pick yourself up. Hey, why you be acting insecure? You're lame. Anyways, but yeah, that's what you finna do. Bye. Yeah, cause his hair's a little messed up.
Will get mad at me if I did his edges?
Yeah, you better not.
I'm not dark.
What the freak? You don't got it?
I do. It's in mom's purse.
Oh, it's in mom's purse. Okay. Black. Look, cut it out. Oh, you might have all the sisters there. We at Willow Bend Mall. We trying to find the Claire's. We trying to find the Claire's and go get my son's ears pierced. His energy never runs out. Never runs out, bro. Oh, that's crazy. I'm trying to take somebody's daughter there. I see you. Alright, y'all. This Clears is like 2 years away, bro. Look it. Alright, y'all. She got an attitude like always. But we are at some mall. Stonebriar. Stonebriar? Yeah, Stonebriar?
Yeah.
And we're going to Clears, and we're about to take him or to get his ears pierced. So yeah, you feel me? I'm sleepy. I'm ready to go home though. Not gonna lie. Let's go over there. Not gonna lie. So, but yeah. See y'all in a second. We're supposed to be at the Clears, but they have this jewelry junk, like the middle of the mall junks. They're getting some info right now. They stuff look clean. I don't know if I can show it, so I'm not gonna show it. But man, these goddamn earrings is $100. My mom trying to tell me to get it. You think? Let me see your haircut. Stop. Let me see your haircut. You're so handsome. Alright, well, I'm walking away. I'm finna go to... Sorry, big boy. Come on. Alright, stepped on his shoe. Alright, well, I'm finna take him to Clears and get his junk up. Come on, take it too long. Y'all know how these girls be. They be taking forever. But I'm finna go just take my son, and I'm gonna go ahead and go to Clears with him. Always running, bro. Oh, all right, let me see y'all when I get there. She be mad on you too.
I'm just gonna clean your ears. I have to put some gloves on. Can I put your ear on? Say yes. It's just a little white. It's just a little white.
Oh, okay. No, that's okay. She'll hit me if I say that. You ready?
Yeah.
You excited? You gotta lock his head in.
Yeah, so the way I'm gonna have you. So of course, you could do pretty much like a hug, and then this hand on his forehead. So that way, yeah, it's like close up on it. So you can do that.
Okay.
I'm gonna show you this when you're older. I hope you know.
Stop.
Say, Clark, are you ready? And you're gonna say yes. After you say yes, alright. Are you ready? Ready? I have a sweet treat for you afterwards. You can do it. Okay?
For the screen. For the screen.
see. Let me see. Okay. Boy shining. My boy shining. You see the fade. Yeah, good job. Okay. Bruh. You want to do? Y'all is twins for real. So my phone died, so I couldn't end out the vlog. So there's nothing. You need me to open the thing.
Yep. And you don't even know how to open it.
I don't.
Yeah, do it, buddy. Oh, okay.
I don't know. Bruh.
Oh.
This was a oh. There you go. Watch out, Dada. Come here, Ethan. Come here. Stop. Look. Chill. Clark, relax. You got the relax. You got the cutty. He got the cut. He got the earrings. Do this. Hold this, Kamani. Come here. Come here, Ethan. Beto, watch out. You did it. Say. Go like this. Okay, say, what's up?
Bro. What's up?
Yeah. My son's so damn handsome, bro. Just like dad, right?
Why would you do
Just like dad? You think? You think? Just like that, right? Bruh, this is good. Alright, y'all, but I'm gonna end the vlog here.
No, because you're actually irritated.
Hopefully I had enough minutes for y'all. If not, I'm gonna try to figure something out.